Type sudo apt update to update available package in Ubuntu. Type sudo apt upgrade to install latest version of packages. The PHP related packages like PHP command line interface, PHP curl, PHP common, PHP PGSQL, PHP XML, PHP zip will be installed using this command. Install git using sudo apt install git. Install PostgreSQL using sudo apt install PostgreSQL. Install curl using sudo apt install curl. Download Composer using curl link. Install Composer by sudo composer setup.php. Self-update Composer by typing sudo composer self-update. Create a project folder by typing composer create project Laravel example. Composer global require Laravel installer. Go to inside the project folder example app. Type PHP artisan serve. Now you can see local server activated. Next, I will install filament. Type composer require filament/filament. This will install filament admin panel in Laravel. Type PHP artisan serve. Go to admin page, click on login page, but you can't sign in because the database is not connected to the PHP Laravel framework. Access Postgres from root by typing sudo iu Postgres. Create database web app. Create user web app with password web app. Grant all privilege to web app. Then exit and exit. Go to environment file. Inside the example app folder, you configure PHP Laravel with database. DB connection, PGSQL, port 5432, database, web app, username, web app, password, web app. PHP artisan migrate to connect database with PHP Laravel. Create admin user by typing PHP artisan make filament user. Type PHP artisan serve. Now go to local server, check admin page. Now you can see the login page of Filament. You can log in using created user. Next, I'm going to create CRUD application where you can create, read, update, delete contact details of person. To make that CRUD application, I have to create three files namely model, database, and resource. Type PHP artisan make model contact m. The command creates two files in model and database folder. Remember, PHP is a case sensitive and follow Pascal standard, so first letter always capital letter. Contact C is a capital letter. Type PHP artisan make filament resource contact resource. Here C and R are capital letters. It will create resource file where I am going to add form and tables. PHP artisan make model contact m. It will create two files, namely model and migration. PHP artisan make filament resource control. It will create filament resource file. Now open contact model, contact resource and create contact table in VS Code. In the contact model, add product table fillable item as name, designation, phone number. In the contact resource file, add library for forms and table. Then add three text input to collect name, designation, and phone number in the form schema. Similarly, create table to display name, designation, phone number. Finally, go to create contacts table database, add name, designation, and phone number. Now type PHP artisan migrate. It will create a migration table of contacts. Type PHP artisan serve. Go to admin panel, sign in, click on contact, then click on new contact. Here you can add name, designation and phone number. Click on create. The phone number will be displayed in table. The search button will be used to search name, designation and phone number.